NASA is preparing to launch a brand new telescope, one that could rival James Webb Space Telescope in unexpected ways. Could this mean the end of James Webb's dominance? Why is NASA pushing forward with a new telescope so soon? This is a shocker for the whole world. Launched on December 25, 2021, this $10 billion engineering marvel, with its massive 21-foot, 6.5-meter, gold-coated mirror, has been stationed a million miles from Earth at Lagrange Point 2L2. Peeking deeper into space than ever before, it has captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies, uncovered exoplanets' atmospheres, and rewritten our understanding of the cosmos. For years, the James Webb Space Telescope has been humanity's greatest window into the universe. So why is NASA retiring James Webb Space Telescope? What could possibly replace it? Meet SPHEREx, NASA's next-generation space telescope that's set to change everything we know about the cosmos. This new powerhouse is launching soon, and it's bringing capabilities even James Webb doesn't have. But what makes SPHEREx so special? And why is NASA moving forward with this new telescope so soon after Webb? Let's dive into this cosmic breakthrough. SPHEREx stands for
Spectrophotometer for History of the Universe, Epoch of Reionization, and ICES Explorer.
I'm sorry, could you say that one more time?
You can just keep calling it SPHEREx.
Unlike traditional telescopes that focus on specific celestial objects, SPHEREx is designed to conduct an all-sky survey, capturing the entire sky in 102 infrared colors. This holistic approach will enable SPHEREx to map the universe with never-before-seen detail, offering insights into the early universe, galaxy formation, and the presence of crucial molecules that produce life in our Milky Way. SPHEREx will be launched into a sun-synchronous orbit on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California on February 27, 2025. This orbit ensures the telescope remains in constant sunlight, maintaining a stable temperature ideal for its infrared observations. Despite its ambitious goals, SPHEREx is a cost-effective mission with a budget of $488 million. In comparison, the James Webb Space Telescope cost approximately $10 billion. One of the mission's primary objectives is to explore cosmic inflation, that is the rapid expansion of the universe that occurred fractions of a second after the Big Bang. By mapping the distribution of over 450 million galaxies, SPHEREx will help scientists understand the physics behind this phenomenon. Additionally, SPHEREx will search for water, ice, and organic molecules, key ingredients for life in the regions where new stars and planets are born. This could shed light on the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Over the course of its planned 27-month mission, SPHEREx will complete 4 full scans of the sky, capturing an impressive 600 images every single day. This massive data set will enable scientists to create the most comprehensive all-sky map ever produced in infrared light. By surveying the universe in this manner, SPHEREx will help astronomers identify and characterize fundamental cosmic processes, such as the formation of galaxies, the role of interstellar ices in planetary system development, and the large-scale structure of the cosmos itself. While the James Webb Space Telescope provides highly detailed and focused observations of specific cosmic phenomena, NASA's SPHEREx takes a different but complementary approach. Instead of targeting specific objects, SPHEREx will conduct a broad survey, systematically mapping large-scale cosmic structures across the entire sky. This mission will provide an unprecedented panoramic perspective of the universe, filling in critical gaps in our understanding and complementing the targeted studies of telescopes like JWST. One of the primary scientific objectives of SPHEREx is to shed light on the origins and evolution of the universe. By analyzing the faint glow left over from the first moments after the Big Bang, the telescope will provide new insights into the early universe's expansion and the formation of the first galaxies. Additionally, SPHEREx will investigate the abundance and distribution of water and organic molecules, which are key ingredients for life within our own Milky Way galaxy. This will help scientists better understand the conditions that lead to planet formation and, potentially, the emergence of life beyond Earth. Beyond its primary mission, The vast amount of data gathered by SPHEREx will serve as a valuable resource for future space observatories. The information it collects will help identify intriguing celestial objects that warrant more detailed study by telescopes like JWST and the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. In this way, SPHEREx will act as a cosmic scout, guiding future missions toward the most promising targets for exploration. As humanity stands on the brink of this groundbreaking mission, the mysteries of the cosmos are closer than ever to being revealed. SPHEREx is poised to revolutionize our understanding of the universe, offering an unparalleled wide-field view that will inform and inspire generations of astronomers to come. Thanks for watching the Space Grid. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest space discoveries.